What if you could create videos like this or this from a single line of text? AI video creation just hit a whole new level because for the first time ever, all of the world's best AI video generators have been combined into one easy-to-use platform. And here's why it changes everything for creators and business owners. So by now you've probably seen clips all over social media from OpenAI's brand new video generator Sora 2 or Google Veo's 3.1. But here's the thing, Sora 2 still has very limited access to the public, but I'm gonna show you how you can create full-length videos watermark-free with this tool. This means the same AI engines used by Hollywood-level studios are now available to you, no editing, no film crew, just a prompt. Here at Think Media, we've been testing out various AI video generators, and InVideo has combined all of the best ones all under one tool. So in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down what's new, how it works, and how you can start creating awesome AI videos with simple text prompts. And then at the end, I'm gonna add the full-length examples of some of the videos I've generated so you can watch them and check them out for yourself. So I'm actually gonna be breaking down the full 7-step process of how to make these simple AI videos. But first, we need to actually talk about the problem. When it comes to AI video, very quickly, you can end up with too many different platforms to use, too many different logins, too many different formats. And most of these tools only handle part of the process. You're doing your script here, your video there, and then you're doing your editing somewhere else. So InVideo has solved the problem as a single platform that unifies all the different AI models, creating a full stack AI video generator. And you can output full-length cinematic videos without the 10-second time limit or watermarks. So let me show you how to use it step by step to create full cinematic videos from a single prompt. Tip number 1, start with a clear prompt. So one of the things we've been developing here at Think Media is a merch line called Creators Club. So I was actually brainstorming a script here in ChatGPT, and I want to create a 60-second ultra cinematic lifestyle video for our Think Media Creators Club hoodies. So here's the basic prompt and the voiceover script that I came up with that eventually gives a call to action to thinkmedia.com. So now I'm on the InVideo platform and I'm gonna add in my simple prompt and say, generate my video. After you enter your prompt, then you're gonna have the ability to select the duration, select the platform. I'm gonna leave it on YouTube, and then we can go on to the next tip. Tip number 2 is add brand assets. So now we have the opportunity to upload a logo. So if you're a business owner, you want to create a product ad, something that you're creating, I'm going to upload the Think Media Creators Club logo right here. And you can also add some additional files. And so I am going to add a couple photos from the t-shirt and the hoodie that we've had printed for Creators Club. So you can see all these files are now attached to the project. Tip number 3 is select ultra quality. So you're gonna have a couple different options inside of InVideo AI, but you're gonna wanna select Ultra, which is gonna use the flagship models like Veo 3.1 and Sora 2. Tip number 4 is hit generate and preview. So when we hit generate, it's gonna get to work and start building our video from a single prompt. And in just a moment, I'll have the ability to preview the final results. Now, by the way, in just a second, I'm gonna get into some of the advanced stuff that you can do with this tool, which is really cool, but let's jump into tip number 5. Next, we can make edits to the video with simple text prompts. So while I'm waiting for that other video to generate, let me show you one of my other products and how easy it is to make edits to a video with simple text prompts.
So this is a project that I've been playing around with for the Porsche Cayman car. And it's turned out really cool. And I actually already really love this song. But for example, one of the things we can do is just say, change the music to maybe an entirely different style of music.
So I just typed in, change the song to ambient classical. Let's check it out. It's pretty cool. Like, it's a different vibe. You could play around with the music, and all you got to do is type in a simple text prompt to switch things up. And so what's cool about this is it just makes editing super simple. You can lower the background music or create fade in or fade out, and you just type in what you want it to do and it'll do it for you. And I've been having a lot of fun with these videos. And by the way, you can watch the full length versions at the end of this YouTube video. But another one I did wasn't just instrumental, it actually had a voiceover. And so here's another example of a text prompt. If you wanted, you could say translate script to Spanish.
En un mundo que glorifica más, hay algo extraordinario en saber cuándo detenerse.
And so not only can you change it to any language, but imagine if you wanted to create multiple different versions of one video for social media or wherever you're going to have your final video output. But that brings us to tip number 6, which is make any edits to the media, the actual video clips, or the script. Okay, and so this is my Creators Club project with the various scenes and different clips here. But what I can do is I can actually go into edit, and if I want to switch up the media or the music or the script or the settings, I can get more granular in this area. But I'm going to click on media. So now I have the opportunity to take any one of these scenes and say switch with generative media. And I can go through the various generations I've done inside of InVideo. I could put in stock media if I want, or uploaded media. And what's cool about this is these are some of the manual clips that I've generated, which I'll show you in the advanced section in a second. So if I wanted this exact scene to be something different, like me filming this fitness influencer or me filming this business professional here, what you can do is just select the individual clips and get more granular editing for your project. And so once I got to the final result for our Creators Club hoodies, I was blown away, because imagine having to do this like in the real world. You'd have to hire a film crew, actors and models, location rentals, a post-production team for editing, color grading, music licensing. A shoot like that could easily cost anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 for just a 1-minute brand spot. And so when I look at this, I'm like, man, I'm getting studio level visuals for the price of dinner in a movie. And so that brings us to tip number 7, which is export the final video. So when you're ready to go, you could say download, and you're going to click download video. Now, when you're on one of the paid plans, you could do no watermarks, no in-video AI branding, and do 1080p resolution. So you're going to click continue. It's going to take you to the next screen, render it for a moment, and then allow you to download that final file. So here's actually another quick example for a drink product where you add in the prompt, click generate your video, select Ultra, add the beverage logo, then boom, you could get your final result on that Ultra plan. Music, voiceover, check out the full video.
Life's too short for boring sips. What you drink should hype you up and keep you in the moment. De Soi is a non-alcoholic aperitif that's bold, bubbly, and built for the vibe. Packed with flavor, made for balance. Cheers to every moment.
But we haven't even covered everything yet. In just a second, I want to show you some advanced things you could do with this tool. But if you want to try out InVideo, you can actually try it for free. Just use the link in the description below. We've been partnered with InVideo for a couple years here at Think Media, and the tool just keeps getting better, especially now that they've integrated Sora 2 and VO 3.1. And if you're serious about video creation, I highly recommend the generative plan. It starts at just $100 a month, and it's the one that I personally use. This is going to give you enough credits so you can tap into the ultra capabilities and make some really incredible videos. Now, let's get into the advanced professional workflow to take your results to the next level. So as we discussed earlier, when you're using InVideo, you can add a simple prompt, click generate my video. But if you look at the bottom of the screen, you can actually go to agents and models. This area is crazy. This is all of the best AI models in one place. So you can go into the individual tool and manually create videos and images and build out your project with a crazy level of detail. So here's what I did for my Think Media Creators Club video. I actually started with Nano Banana, which is an image generator. And with simple text prompts, I started to create individual images, which essentially function as the first frame of the clips that I wanted to build out. Then using VO 3.1, I uploaded those images to create these individual clips, which are honestly mind-blowing. Like, this tool is so rad. Whether it's this product shot of the hoodie, this, female walking in the city with the Creator Club hoodie on, it's ridiculous. And the level of granular control is wild. When it comes to images, you can do vertical, horizontal, ultra widescreen. And then when it comes to the video clips, you can create vertical content or, of course, 16:9 proper videos. And so InVideo really has created a full stack AI video generator. Whether you want to just do manual prompts, let it build it out for you, or whether you want to get super specific and dial in individual clips, leveraging all these different AI models. But as promised, here are the final videos I was able to generate. And let's check out the Think Media Creators Club hoodies ad first.
Most people consume. We create. Most people scroll endlessly. We post consistently. Most people sit on the sidelines. We're in the game. Most people chase comfort. We chase calling. Most people hide behind fear. We step out in courage. We show up when it's messy. We show up when it's risky. We show up no matter what. This isn't just a hoodie. It's a symbol of focus, of faith, of creators who refuse to quit. Think Media Creators Club, built for the ones who press record. Get your limited edition hoodie before they run out at thinkmedia.com.
So let me know your thoughts about that video, and tell me in the comments if you'd want one of those Think Media Creators Club hoodies. They've so far just kind of been limited edition for our own team, but we're thinking about releasing them publicly. So tell me in the comments if you want me to send you one. But next up is this car commercial. And the first version I did was cinematic storytelling, music only. Check this out. So my personal thoughts on the video is it's pretty impressive, but let me know your feelings. And I want to play one more car commercial for you. But first, let me show you an example from InVideo. Let's check it out.
Hello, ladies. Look at your man. Now back to me. Now back at your man. Now back to me. Sadly, he isn't me. But if he stopped using lady-scented body wash and switched to Ambercrest, he could smell like he's me. Look down. Back up. Where are you? You're on a boat with the man your man could smell like. What's in your hand? Back at me. I have it. It's an oyster with 2 tickets to that thing you love. Look again. The tickets are now diamonds. Anything is possible when your man smells like Ambercrest and not a lady. I'm on a horse.
Now, finally, one of my goals was to explore the creative possibilities with this tool. So I wanted to make a different car commercial, a little bit longer, with a dope voiceover, kind of like that proper, elevated narrator meets great music. And so check out this result.
In a world that glorifies more, there's something extraordinary about knowing when to stop. Because power isn't proven by how loud it roars, but by how effortlessly it moves. Every line, every surface, every sound, crafted not to impress the crowd, but to awaken the driver. Precision isn't an accident. It's the discipline to make perfection feel inevitable. In a city that never slows down, grace becomes rebellion. For those who understand that silence speaks louder than noise, this is not about a rival. It's about the art of restraint. The Porsche Cayman, power perfected in quiet.
So let me pass the question off to you and tell me your thoughts and your questions about AI video generation for some of the future tutorials that we're going to do. And if you actually want to dive a little bit deeper into what's possible with InVideo, we didn't even touch on the UGC ads and AI clones. So click or tap the screen to check out that video where I break all of that down. My name is Sean Cannell, your guide to building a profitable YouTube channel, and I can't wait to connect with you in a future video.